So let's go ahead and jump straight into this. And so I'm going to show you guys my braid pattern in just a second. But basically, I just got done washing the clip-ins, both sets of them, because I'm not sure how many pieces I'm going to end up using. And then I've just detangled them with my brush. So this looks a lot different from how the hair looked when I first got it out the package. I just want you guys to know that that is normal. I never really go by the curl pattern that I see when you first get curly hair, because the minute you put water on it, that's when you're going to get like the true texture. But even still, you can go in and really manipulate this curl pattern. Out of all the different curl patterns, Kinky Curly probably is one of my favorite. And I'm just hoping that my hair blends pretty well with this. We shall see. So the way that curly hair is measured is it's measured when the hair is stretched, not so much when it waves up like this. So this is 20 inches, and I did wash and condition both sets that I got. I'm not sure how much I'm going to end up using, so that's why I went ahead and did both just to be on the safe side. So as far as my braid pattern, you guys, this, let me take this clip down. These pieces here are what's going to be my leave out, so I just left out literally a little bit. This behind it is more so like my anchor braid. What you could do with this braid here is braid it like going across so that you don't have this part in the middle, but I didn't feel like doing that. And then the rest of the braids are just cornrowed down, and then it doesn't really need to be neat. So in the back, after I finished my cornrows, I just kind of took them and like pinned them up. Doesn't have to be perfect because it's curly hair. If you are doing this with a texture other than curly hair, I would recommend that you get those braids as neat and as flat as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip this back up just so that I can get it out of my way. Okay, I hope I'm in frame so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm starting off with a 3-clip. Okay, I'm choosing not to start directly, you know, at the nape of my neck, but you can. I started just a few inches above, but don't worry, you're not going to be able to see all of this once I'm done. This is how it looks so far with just simply 3 of the clip-ins in. Very full already. What I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to place the clip-ins in whatever order it makes sense. So if I need to pull from the other pack and put like another 4 across here and then start laying some 3s and 2s until I get to the top, that's exactly what I'm going to do. As you guys can see, I'm almost close to just closing up this top part. So I'm going to go in with these 2 clipper ones. And like I said, I'm just putting them in a way that it makes sense. I'm gonna do here. Okay, I did have to go in and fix a piece because you could see them, so I'm trying to put my head at the right angle just so I can really see what I'm doing. Okay, so far looking good. You can't see any of the clip-ins. Yep, we're fine. I have 2 of the 3 pieces left. So now I'm just gonna clip these across these braids here. I'm gonna get it as close to the edge as possible. I'm literally clipping them into my braid. Okay, and just like that, I am done. Now, for the most important part, is taking out my leave out and getting it to blend with this texture. My whole idea of why I did my braid pattern like this is because I specifically wanted to do the flip over method with clip-ins. I've been seeing some videos on it, so that's how I knew it was possible to do versus me doing like a traditional like middle part clip-in install. We all know natural hair shrinkage can be very disrespectful sometimes, so just give me a moment. Okay, I wanted this to be like a really carefree curly hairstyle. The fullness is definitely there. I just feel like something about it is missing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my blow dryer with the diffuser on it and I'm going to dry this hair a little bit. go over all the details about this hair. So these are from IDN Beauty on Amazon. You guys, these are Amazon Prime, so the shipping was 2 days. Very quick, very fast. We love that. These are their seamless clip-in hair extensions. I got these in the Kinky Straight Texture 2-pack. So out of this 2 packs, it's 7 pieces in each pack, so that's a total of 14 pieces. I use everything except 2 pieces, so I used 12 out of the 14 pieces that I got within the 2 packages. I did very minimal leave out. However, I feel like if you want to do where you leave your natural curly hair out and do the clip-ins in between that, I don't feel like you would need 2 packs. I feel like you would, depending on your hair density, I feel like you can get away with just 1 if you are using leave out. Also, I feel like the price is very affordable. These were just over $100. They were like $109 or $10 to be exact. At the time of me getting them. I know that prices changed, but I just figured I'd go ahead and put that out there. Also, with these clip-ins, the weft is super, super thin, hence the reason that these are their seamless clip-ins. You will see when you go look for these options that it has, it does say classic clip-ins, and that is not these. These are the ones that are seamless. Classic is just your standard clip-in, which those are not bad, but these right here are even better because of how thin they are. You have to put a little bit of effort to really pop them open and to kind of close them, which is a good thing because that lets you know that these are very secure. And the color, they are in 1B. Now this says that it's 100% human hair, so I'm assuming that you can either bleach or dye this hair if you wanted to, but just know that it's going to come in a natural black color. I'm going to kind of play around with this and look up some better, I guess, videos on how I can better like make these clip-ins match my hair. I feel like it looks pretty decent right now, but I want to see if there's anything else that I'm, you know, could do better. I have never had curly clip-ins before, so this is a first time for me. So there is a little bit of a learning curve just speaking for myself, but I really, really like these. I feel like when I put these in a half up, half down, or even like a ponytail, these are going to look amazing. And even though I kind of have this in the flip over method, I can still do like a half up, half down with these. I don't have a hair tie in front of me to be able to show you guys that, but I can still pull all the hair back. I'm pretty sure I can do a ponytail too. Tie pony would definitely be a cute look. People would really think that this is my hair if I really put it in this style. I don't get to wear clip-ins as often as I would like to because I do prefer to keep my hair tucked away in wigs. However, if you guys have any recommendations on another texture of clip-ins that you guys want me to try, just let me know for the next time I take my little hair break, and then I could go about doing that for you guys. However, if you guys are interested in these exact ones, I will leave it linked down below in my description box. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.